at the grand opening of ORRA's brand new building.
You're here and you're watching the experience that they've put together for us to come through, see the building, see all the spaces that it has to offer, all the spaces that we can leverage to host clients, to host meetings, to train our teams, and to network with other professionals.
And you're going to want to stay tuned to the end of the video so you can learn how you can join the likes of myself and one of my agent partners, Joe Kaminsky, so that we can help you build your business. Follow us.
All right, so we have Cashla Perez here, the multimedia coordinator, and she's going to give us some insight as to what you can expect from the podcast studio here at the ORRA grand opening.
Hi guys, so I will be editing all of your videos along with any of the visuals. So if you're working in the television studio or the podcast studio, I'm your girl. If you're wanting more raw package, we do have that deal as well. And members do get a pretty big discount, pretty considerable. So make sure you keep your eyes out around November, December for those prices.
All right, so on the 4th floor, we have the executive offices, we have HR, and a wonderful view to my 4. We're gonna take you through Cliff's office and just show you the amazing view that he has, the outstanding lounge that there is. There's meeting rooms up here, crazy, crazy views. And then we're gonna make our way back down to the 2nd floor. So come on in. I'm gonna have to tell Cliff right here, right now, listen, I'm gonna need this space for like at least one time a month. Like the balcony, there's a balcony out here, like really hidden. Top view, and I'm scared of heights.
Is he downtown Skyline under there?
No, this is the type of environment that is essential for CEOs and top executives. So it's very, very much deserved. Super proud of what they've done here with the place. And it's amazing to be able to experience this and just catch a glimpse of, you know, what's being built out here. So not only does the 3rd floor feature a gym, but it also has a full-blown production studio where you're going to be able to record podcasts. You're going to be able to shoot videos with backdrops. I'm pretty sure they're going to have a green screen of some sort. It has a teleprompter and it's equipped with top-of-the-line camera equipment. On the 3rd floor of this building, we actually have a gym where you can come in, get a mental break, let out some physical steam, and just get a quick workout in between meetings or appointments. Or if you want to schedule it before getting your workday started or after some appointments. Right now, at the moment, we're currently in line to take the photo that's going to be contributed to the bigger photo through stickers.
All right, so that's a wrap. Thanks again for joining us. Robert Kenneth Murillo, AROA Real Estate. We're helping our people elevate through real estate every day with fun in the sun.